Hello, everyone. On this video, I wanted to clear up the difference between a normal curve and a T model curve because I know they can be confusing. So first of all, on the left of me, I have the normal curve drawn, and next to it are a bunch of T model curves. So we know that the normal curve is a bell curve. It's perfectly symmetric, centered at the mean, and has those nice predictable percentages using the empirical rule. 68% is one standard deviation left and right, 95% is two standard deviations left and right, and 99.7% is within three standard deviations of the mean. So when do we use the normal curve? We know we use it when we know the population standard deviation, or we are working with proportions like percentages. So where does the T model come in? The T model comes in, first of all, we're using means. So means, we're talking about quantitative data, like the average height or test scores or distances. And we use it when we don't know the population standard deviation and we are estimating it from a sample. Because we are estimating the T curve has fatter tails and it is a little wider and shorter. The fatter tails allow us the extra wiggle room to account for any uncertainty. So if you're looking at the curves, the green one right here, this is the normal curve, and you could see that if I follow it along, it has a small area under the curve where the tails are. And the shorter the curve is, like this purple one, if I follow it, it has a fatter tail, which means a larger area under that region. And by the way, as the sample size gets larger, we know from degrees of freedom that degrees of freedom is a sample size minus one. So as we get to a larger sample size, we are going to resemble more and more a normal curve. So if you're looking at these different curves, they are T models. So the purple one is a T model, and the blue one is a T model, and the orange one is a T model. But different about them is the taller it gets, it means the sample size is larger. And so eventually a T model curve resembles a normal curve when the sample is large enough. So hopefully this helps you understand the difference between a normal curve and a T model curve and when to use it.